went ahead and got the tilt, and y'all know I still got to paint up under here. I haven't done it yet. I haven't really been worried about it yet, but I will get to it. I got to paint that. It's literally a little bitty small section, but I got my billet aluminum tilt right there. Got my billet aluminum hazard button, and everything is functional. Got both of those in, and the last piece that I was missing was the blinker, or the blinker arm, the wiper arm. You feel me? They both in one. This is both of them. First off, let me show y'all. That's the part number if y'all need it. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all, when I be getting stuff, y'all be asking me where I got it and what it is. You feel me? And all that type of stuff. There go the part number, so y'all can have it. If y'all need it, pause the screen, take a screenshot, do whatever you need to. Brand new part, and like I said, I got this off of classicindustries.com. So yeah, this is it. This is the old one, and y'all can see the old one. I mean, honestly, it got some of the letters still on it, you feel me, some of the words, but it is still pretty bad. Look at that, the chrome is breaking off of it. Look at that, it's in pretty bad shape. And y'all know I'm redoing this car, so I didn't really want to use, if I can get a new part, I will get a new part. What's up guys, this your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, I told you I probably wasn't gonna make no video on this, you know what I'm saying, but I decided to go ahead and do it. So, one second. Alright, so basically, you know what I'm saying, my blinker arm finally came in, you feel me? So like I said, I didn't know if I was gonna make a video on it 100% for sure, because I was probably just gonna throw it on, but I told y'all I wanted to keep y'all updated with everything I do, even if it's the smallest bit of stuff. So my brand new blinker arm has came in, and we're gonna unbag it and everything outside the car. I'm gonna show y'all the part number if it's on the bag, which it is. And I ordered this part from classicindustries.com. I wish some of these companies would sponsor me, because I'm getting all these parts from them, you know what I'm saying? And I just wish some of these companies would sponsor me, you know what I'm saying? Because yeah, I'm getting all this stuff from eBay, gbodyparts.com, Original Parts Group, Amazon, which I know Amazon and eBay probably won't, because they too big of companies for me, you know what I'm saying? But you feel me, I'm basically, some of these people, well, a lot of y'all don't know about a lot of these companies, and I'm getting parts from them, you feel me, and putting them on in some type of way, you feel me? But then again, a lot of people do know about a lot of these companies, you know, so it is what it is, you feel me? But yeah, like I was saying, man, classicindustries.com, Original Parts Group, gbody.com, eBay, Amazon. You feel me? I'm getting parts from all these different companies. Now, y'all stay tuned, because my air injection bolts, I found some different bolts of different sizes. So hopefully they gonna come in this week. It's gonna be like the 4th set of bolts I done order. And yeah, I'm reading these forums and people saying these sizes, and I'm getting these sizes, and then they not working. So waiting on that to come in. Once they come in, we're gonna try to install them, and then we can work on getting that EGR off, because I got my EGR block off plate. You know what I'm saying? Custom made EGR block off plate. I got it, and yeah, just we need to put it on, you know. But I wanted to finish the air injection before I moved on to the EGR system. But yeah, like I said, man, if y'all didn't check out, I don't remember how many videos ago it was, but I went ahead and got the tilt, and y'all know I still got to paint up under here. I haven't done it yet. I haven't really been worried about it yet, but I will get to it. I got to paint that. It's literally a little bitty small section, but I got my billet aluminum tilt right there. Got my billet aluminum hazard button, and everything is functional. Got both of those in, and the last piece that I was missing was the blinker, or the blinker arm, the wiper arm. You feel me? They both in one. So I finally got it in the mail. I've ordered it. I ordered that when I ordered this last set of billet aluminum pieces for the steering column. So yeah, it took a little minute to come in, you feel me, about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, but it's in and it's here, you feel me? And this product, I think it was like $30, you know what I'm saying? I had to pay for shipping, had to pay tax, so it actually wasn't too bad, you know. And y'all know mines do not, my Cutlass didn't come with no cruise control, you know what I'm saying? I don't have cruise control in this car. Which I'm gonna get the OEM one out of my Charger. The OEM one did not have cruise control, so I was not able to get the blinker arm with cruise control, you feel me, because it comes with plugs and stuff. My car don't have that, you feel me? This Cutlass don't have it. All it has is just the blinker and the wipers. That's it. No cruise control. So unfortunately, but I was able to, like I said, find this one. This one was cheaper than the ones for cruise control. So yeah, pretty good little get, you feel me? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Stay tuned, because the next video we're gonna be wrapping the spare tire hole. We're gonna be covering using my ABS. I keep trying to say other stuff. My ABS piece that I cut out, the plastic piece that I cut out, we're gonna be wrapping it in the next video, so y'all stay tuned for the spare tire, to cover up the spare tire hole. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the rest of the wiring. You know what I'm saying? I got me some remote wire now. I got both my jacks, so I can run my jacks. And you're supposed to run all that stuff on the opposite side of your power wire, so I'm gonna have to run that stuff on the passenger side. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned for that as well. But other than that, man, road to 5K. I don't know if I said this. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can, help me reach that goal. Other than that, I'm finna grab the old pieces out of the charger, and then we're gonna unbox it, and then we're gonna install this all in this video. You know what I'm saying? Because this, you literally just push it in. Ain't no screws or bolts or nothing. You just push it in. So I'll catch y'all in a second. I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all, so my bad, I don't know what I was thinking for a second, but I got both of them out. You know what I'm saying? I went to the charger, like I said, and get the old one out, you feel me? So this is both of them side by side, basically. Like I said, we're gonna unbag this because we're installing it all in this video. This is both of them. First off, let me show y'all. That's the part number if y'all need it. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all, when I be getting stuff, y'all be asking me where I got it and what it is, you feel me, and all that type of stuff. There go the part number. So y'all can have it if y'all need it. Pause the screen, take a screenshot, do whatever you need to. Brand new part, and like I said, I got this off of classicindustries.com. So yeah, this is it. This is the old one, and y'all can see the old one. I mean, honestly, it got some of the letters still on it, you feel me, some of the words, but it is still pretty bad. Look at that, the chrome is breaking off of it. Look at that, it's in pretty bad shape. And y'all know I'm redoing this car, so I didn't really want to use, if I can get a new part, I will get a new part, you feel me? Like with the wood grain in here, most of it I couldn't get brand new. That one looks fairly, like really good, you feel me? That one over there, it's in really good shape. I got that one brand new because I was able to, but the rest of them, you feel me, I couldn't get brand new, so I just done without it. You know what I'm saying? I can't get this brand new, so I'm gonna have to try to make it work, you feel me? But whatever I can get new, that's what I'm getting, you feel me? But other stuff that I can't get new, I'm just trying to find the best replacement I can if I need to, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing right now, man. And I was able to get this brand new, so I just went ahead and got it, you know? This is, like I told y'all before, man, this is kind of a restoration, but also a customization. So it's like a custom resto, you know what I'm saying? That's what I've been saying to myself, posting on my TikTok and stuff. It's a custom resto. So let's go ahead and unbox this, man. Then we're gonna really do a side by side and show y'all what they look like side by side on each other. And like I said, my OEM one, this is the OEM one. As y'all can tell, it don't have cruise control, nothing, you know what I'm saying? It's literally just wiper and blinker, you know what I'm saying? That's it. So let's go ahead, turn y'all down. There we go. Unbag this. Alright, be careful, because I'm not trying to throw them staples just everywhere, and then they end up getting in the tire later on. There we go. So this is it, bro, and this mother looks so clean, brand new. And like I said, ain't no cruise control, so yeah, I didn't need it. And like I said, this is the exact wiper arm that I needed for this car, because it's literally the exact, they the exact same, they the same part. So that's the part number y'all need if y'all don't have cruise control. I gave y'all the part number, you know what I'm saying? But side by side comparison, obviously the brand new, y'all, you know, it's just like I said, I just wanted to show y'all. This one got a little bit of dirt on it, you feel me? It's a little dirty, y'all can really tell, but I don't know why my camera don't never pick up good on black things, you know what I'm saying? Parts and stuff that have that are black, and that my camera never picks up that good on it. But as y'all can see, it got like, look like kind of some mold, really. I don't know what the, man, I don't know. But as y'all can see, the wiper word is missing, as on here it's not, because it's brand new. The push actually looks a little bit better on here than here. This one just looks like some type of sticker kind of on it, when this one is actually engraved. So that's unfortunate, but you feel me, it is what it is. So as y'all see, it's safe. it ain't picking up at all. Y'all can kind of see it say push, but it looks like a sticker where on here it's engraved. Y'all see it kind of indented a little bit. It's engraved in there. But yeah, y'all can see the chrome here pitting off. Look at that, just coming straight off. Got these words pretty much, they still pretty much on there, but yeah, that's just do off with it, you know what I'm saying? So yep, that's it, man. So literally to put this on, all you do is just line these grooves up. Well, let me use the new one. You line these grooves up with the inside of the blinker on the steering column, which is there. Y'all kind of see them grooves. So you just line this up and you push it in there just like it, and now it's in functional. And then you turn it like that, and it's on high, low, on, off, missed, off. You know what I'm saying? And now my blinkers work. Yep, this is right. Missed, off, on, delay, low, high. Blinker. Make sure everything goes just like it. We now have a new blinker arm. Brand new blinker arm. Like I said, I wish I could have put a billet one on there, but I wanted to keep my wipers function, you know what I'm saying? Which I'm not, the mist part ain't gonna work because y'all know I took out the windshield washer reservoir, because for one, it wasn't even hooked up, so it wasn't working or anything. It was empty and everything, so yeah, that part won't work. But now we have brand new blinker arm, brand new billet tilt, billet hazard button, and everything is functional. And like I said, we don't have cruise control. Ain't no way for me to have cruise control. Ain't no plug wires or nothing for me to be able to do it, so the cruise control is not able to get done. You feel me? I might have this because it ain't really lining up with the high. Let me pull this out. Let me see. Let me try and see something. Set y'all like this real quick. I guess I'm out. I guess it was right. Yep. There we go. Yep. I guess so. It's just off a little bit. Just look a little off. Yep. That's fine. I guess that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, that's it, man. Like I said, that's literally all, man. Brand new wiper, blinker arm, brand new wiper arm, and everything is functional again on my steering column. Now when I get ready to paint the bottom of it, I'm gonna just put a bag over everything except for this little portion and put some masking tape on and everything, you know what I'm saying? So we got that done. Y'all know we changed out this rear defrost button. I gotta make sure it worked when I plug my battery back up. Yeah, man, everything is working really good. Horn ain't gonna work right now because my battery not plugged up. But yeah, man, this is it, man. That's what we looking like. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think everything is coming out, man. Like I said, bro, this is definitely worth the little wait, you know what I'm saying? It's the only bad thing that's going on right now is just me just waiting on stuff to come in the mail. I done ordered a lot of stuff. I'm just waiting on everything to come in the mail. So that's what we working with, man. Billet aluminum tilt, brand new blinker arm, billet aluminum hazard. I'm not gonna change this out because my original key, you know what I'm saying? It goes here, so I'm not gonna change it out. But yeah, everything is looking very, very fantastic. Got the chrome billet steering wheel hub, you feel me? Billet steering wheel. It's a little foggy right now, but you know what I'm saying? Everything is looking very, very good, bro. Very, very good. Unfortunately, this blue don't match as well, but it's blue and it looks good. I mean, I could put my black one back on, but I like my blue. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. You feel me? This mug is trash because I got a brand new one now. this stuff away too. This is trash. But yeah, like I said, man, it was definitely worth the little wait to get. I needed it anyway. I didn't want to put this back in there and it's looking like it, you know. Just go ahead and do the upgrade, and I'm protecting the car by it being in this tent with the car covers and this tarp to be extra safe, you know what I'm saying, extra protection. So that new blinker arm should last me a very long time. Praying it do. But yeah, other than that, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Finna throw this stuff away, and we're finna get right into that next video. So y'all stay tuned, and like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'm very excited, bro. I'm so happy that this part finally came in. Now my steering column is complete besides that little bit of paint, but the steering column is now complete, you know what I'm saying? So I got everything done and everything is looking fantastic, bro. I'm so excited, bro. I'm telling you, I am really moving with this car. So isn't on the interior, honestly, it's not too much is left for me to actually buy and purchase, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you feel me? We're just gonna keep moving one step at a time. Y'all know the motto, man, one step at a time. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell all the way. Y'all be notified each time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can, help me reach that goal. I'm gonna try and finish the music portion today. If not, I should be able to finish it tomorrow, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? Today, I know I'm gonna run my remote wire, run the jacks, both sets. You know what I'm saying? The RCA jacks, and try to hook up the wires to the amps, you know what I'm saying? And then if I am able to finish it all today, I'm not gonna test nothing today. I'm gonna test it all tomorrow. That way I have a fresh day, and that'll be one of the first things I do. But if I can't test it tomorrow, then we're gonna finish it up tomorrow and then test it the following day. Like I said, I want it to be a fresh day for me to get ready to test this stuff out, you know what I'm saying? And then I might take it out this weekend, but Christmas is next week, so I'm gonna try to I'm definitely trying to finish this up this week so I can take it out next week, you know what I'm saying, for Christmas. And try to take the week off next week, to be honest with y'all, you feel me? So if not, then I'm still gonna record content, try to record something if I feel like it, you know what I'm saying? But it really just depends. But like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this vid, man. It's gonna be the end of this one. Got my brand new blinker arm, brand new billet pieces, bro. The steering column is now looking complete, bro. Like I said, besides the little paint that's up under there, you can't even tell, you know, you wouldn't know unless I say something. But we got brand new, bro, come on camera, brand new wiper arm, brand new billet piece for the tilt, and brand new hazard button. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. Everything is coming out perfectly, bro, and I'm loving every second of this, bro. Other than that, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.